In this video, I'm going to show you how to work 6 single crochet stitches into a magic ring. Start with the magic ring. Hold the tail end of the yarn by your palm, then wrap the yarn around your finger. Slide your hook under the loop, grab the ball end of the yarn and pull it through. Carefully slide the ring off your finger. Yarn over again and pull through. Now you're ready to work the first round of stitches into the loop. For the first single crochet, insert your hook into the ring, yarn over and pull the yarn through. Yarn over again and pull through all the loops on your hook. This counts as one single crochet stitch. Now you'll repeat this 5 more times to make a total of 6 stitches. Insert your hook into the ring, yarn over and pull the yarn through. Yarn over again and pull through all the loops on your hook. This is stitch number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now take the tail end of your yarn. You can untwist it if it looks twisted. Then pull on the tail to close the loop. Now you're ready to move on to the second round of your pattern.